what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your Lloyds bank statement online. So here's how you can easily view or get your Lloyds bank statement online. So in your Google browser, just search for Lloyds bank statement and a link at the top will appear. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. So if we scroll down under the statements section, you can see view or download statements. Just click on it. And from here, you will be given directions or instructions on how you can easily view or download your statements. They say here that you can also do this online. So you can view your statement, you can save it as a PDF or print a copy, you can download your statement from your app to your phone, and you can even order a paper statement and receive it in the post within 10 working days. So here are the steps so you can download or view your bank statements. In their mobile banking app, all you have to do is log in and select the account that you want to view, then select the three-dot menu, then select download or print statement to save or print. For paper copies, just select order paper statements. So here's how it looks like on their mobile app view. So from here, you can see the list of your bank statements and you can see a download button on the date of the bank statement, and from there you can easily view and download your Lloyds bank statements. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!